Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your banking transaction spreadsheet into your QuickBooks Online? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to upload your transactions via spreadsheet into your QuickBooks Online anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you get distracted, and many banks only allow you to pull a spreadsheet going back 2 years. So if it's anything past that, you're gonna have to pull a PDF and then put it into a spreadsheet instead of automatically connecting it into your QuickBooks Online. After you get it into a spreadsheet, you're gonna have to upload it into your QuickBooks. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upload a spreadsheet of your banking transactions into QuickBooks, what you're going to do is click on this gear icon up here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see these options, but look for this section here called Tools, and underneath it, you want to click on Import Data. Okay, so here you can go ahead and choose what type of data you're going to be uploading into your QuickBooks Online. For me, I'm going to go ahead and upload bank data. So this is a spreadsheet of my banking information. Okay, next they do let you know it's easier to automatically upload your transactions if you connect your bank. But again, if it's past 2 years, most likely you can't do that. So you need to get a PDF and then put it into a spreadsheet. And here is where you can upload those spreadsheets for your banking transactions. They do let you know it must be CSV, QFX, QBO, OFX, or .text format. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my transaction spreadsheet right here. Okay, I got my spreadsheet right here. Next, in order to upload or import those transactions, click on Continue. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose the account that this information is going to go into. So click right here. Now, if it's not in there, you can go ahead and click on Add New. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and type this as Merrick Bank. All right, once you have this filled out, go ahead and click on Save and Close. Okay, now you want to click on Continue. Okay, next is the first row in your file, a header. So this is just the titles at the top. So for me, yes. And how many columns show amount? For me, just one. What's the date format? Okay. And then here you want to go ahead and organize the columns. So I'm going to do column 1. Description is here. The amount right here. And the check number, there's no check numbers in this one. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. And you want to go ahead and click on Continue. Okay. Once you click on Continue, it asks if you want to go ahead and import these transactions. Go ahead and click on Yes. Okay. Quick second later, the page refreshes and now you can see import completed. So I'm going to click on Done. Okay. Next, it opens up into my transactions. You can see that the 3 transactions that we imported are listed right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to or upload your spreadsheet transactions into QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.